Tesla has achieved its goal of producing 5,000 Model Y vehicles in a week at Gigafactory Texas, which was the original goal for volume production at the plant. The automaker has been simultaneously ramping up two major factories, Gigafactory Berlin and Gigafactory Texas, to volume production. It created a friendly competition between the two friends. When ramping up a new vehicle to volume production at a new factory, Tesla generally considers 5,000 units per week to be the goal. In March, Gigafactory Berlin achieved that goal with 5,000 Model Y vehicles produced per week. Gigafactory Texas was trailing a bit behind and was at 4,000 Model Y vehicles per week in early April. Yesterday, Tesla announced that Gigafactory Texas has also reached the milestone of producing 5,000 Model Y SUVs in a single week. While Gigafactory Texas achieved the milestone a bit behind Giga Berlin, the team had a good excuse. Gigafactory Texas is facing different challenges than Gigafactory Berlin. The primary difference is that some of the vehicles produced at Gigafactory Texas are equipped with Tesla 4680 battery cells, which enable the new structural battery pack chassis design. It's a new way of manufacturing vehicles and bringing some complexity. Now, we know that Tesla can produce 5,000 Model Y units per week at the plant, but it's not clear how many are being produced with 2170 cells and how many with Tesla's new 4680 cells and the structural battery pack. That's great news for Tesla of reaching 5,000 vehicles per week. Giga Berlin and Texas were a drain on the automaker's performance when the production lines weren't used at capacity. Now we're sure that there are still more optimization to be done, but 5,000 units per week, friends, the goal that Tesla set out to achieve for mass production, and now it is done at both factories. So it should help Tesla improve gross margins on Model Y, which has been under pressure from significant price cuts this year. Tesla Semi is going to undergo independent testing as special event. Pepsi confirmed this because this is Pepsi's Tesla Semi. So one of Tesla's semis in PepsiCo's fleet will be independently tested. This is something new. We haven't heard this before. The company is committed to sharing its practical knowledge of electric trucks that will revolutionize the trucking industry with incomparable performance. Several days ago, when I reported several Tesla Semi stories about Pepsi, some of you asked, I wish we had review from a Pepsi Tesla Semi driver about how it does. Well, now is the time. PepsiCo is preparing to do independent testing of Pepsi Tesla Semi truck. PepsiCo confirmed on Wednesday that at least one of its Tesla Semis will take part in the Run on Less trucking event later this year, Automotive News reported. The company is committed to sharing its knowledge of the use of the electric truck in daily operations. During the event, the truck will operate with a maximum payload of around 81,000 tons. It will travel up to 500 miles round trip. So please subscribe to this channel because I'm going to closely follow this event and report you the result as soon as they are available. And after you subscribe, please also ring the bell so you don't guys miss my next report. Here's an interesting quote that I want to present you from Amanda DeVoe, which is Sustainability and Technology Director Fleet at PepsiCo Frito-Lay North America Division. Amanda says, "We're really excited to participate in the run and allow the industry to have access to the insights and the learning that we're getting from experience these vehicles," said Amanda DeVoe. Like I said, she is Sustainability and Technology Director Fleet at PepsiCo's Frito-Lay North America Division. And she also said, "We're gonna run them hard." She also said that we really want to demonstrate the capability of our team, the capability of the Semi, and the capability of the Class 8 electric vehicle to compete with the internal combustion counterpart, she said during a panel at the ACT Expo Clean Transportation Conference Wednesday. Isn't it nice that the company just got a Tesla Semi and now they're going to put it in test? They realize that the entire industry is very much interested in how it performs in actual real world, and they're willing to share their knowledge with other people in the industry, which I think this is very great. Don't you think? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, friends. Now, showcasing achievements in trucking efficiency, Run on Less will monitor the Tesla Semi and publish independent performance data on the event website. This will be the first time the public has access to independent performance and characteristics data for the electric truck. Getting Tesla into this is a big deal, said Mike Roth, executive director of the North American Council for Freight Efficiency, it's called NACFE, a truck industry think tank. During the event, trucking companies are fleet managers will review data on all trucks that will take part in it. Roth said Tesla will draw particular attention because it is a new player in the trucking industry, a company that has already revolutionized the auto industry. Hosted by NACFE, that trucking industry think tank, in odd-numbered years. Like I said, it's going to happen in odd-numbered years, and this is 2023, which is an odd-numbered year. The event will focus on the operation of electric trucks from various manufacturers. It will last for 3 weeks, starting on September 11th, in about 3 months or so, in about 3 or 4 months. GetUp, a telematics company based in Oakville, Canada, collects data from trucks for daily publication. Any data on a Class 8 electric vehicle that can be shared is a big deal because there are lots of questions about their performance, said Charlotte Argue, GetUp's senior manager for sustainable mobility. She said she expects a lot of buzz about Tesla specifically. I agree. I expect this too, and I'm sure some of you or many of you who hear this report also are expecting. So please guys, subscribe to this channel because I'm going to bring a lot of information from this event. According to Roth and Argue, the event will only feature general comparisons between brands, and the public should not count on a deeper comparison. That is because the trucks will carry different weights, travel different routes for different distances, and face different charging systems. According to Roth, a direct comparison will be difficult actually due to the level of data that will be displayed in the results. So let me know, friends, what do you expect to know about Tesla Semi from this comparison and from this event? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and so far whatever we know. Again, we'll see you soon in our next report. Few days ago, I reported that Tesla started ordering parts for Cybertruck production. Now, Tesla started testing Cybertruck alpha prototypes as it prepares for production, and Tesla will begin volume production of the long-awaited Cybertruck in 2024. Welcome back, everyone. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to this channel because I report breaking Tesla news every day, as you can check from my previous other reports. So in the 3.5 years since the unveiling of the all-electric Tesla Cybertruck pickup truck, the car manufacturer has delayed its market launch on multiple occasions, but soon production will finally start. Tesla has long done things its own way, and since the unveiling of the concept, has provided few details about how the Cybertruck will change from concept to production. Thankfully, a number of undisguised prototypes have been snapped out and about in recent months, and earlier this week, one of Tesla's alpha versions of the electric truck was snapped at the car maker's Fremont factory and test facility. A handful of changes have been made to the Cybertruck to prepare it to hit the road. The overall dimensions have been reduced, and Tesla has made various alterations to the exterior design. Remember, I said that overall dimensions have been reduced because even several months ago there was big discussion about whether Cybertruck can fit to average American garage. So like I said, and there has been made various alterations to the exterior design. For example, the headlights and front LED light bar has been tweaked, and this prototype, snapped by a member of the Cybertruck Owners Club forum, can be seen with orange turn signals just above the blacked out bumper. Elsewhere, you'll immediately notice that the Cybertruck has a pair of triangular-shaped wing mirrors finished in black, as well as a large single windshield wiper that rests alongside the driver's side A-pillar. Speaking of A-pillar, I think it was yesterday or the day before, I reported that Tesla put about $270 million order to a Korean company to produce A-pillar, B-pillar, and C-pillars for the Cybertruck. The four members November also snapped the Cybertruck cruising around Tesla's small test track in California. The clip isn't particularly exciting as the Tesla is being driven very gingerly, but it does provide us with a glimpse of what its unconventional design will look like on the road. Friends, Tesla chief executive Elon Musk announced in January that production of the Cybertruck will start this summer, but volume production won't kick off until 2024. So please be a little bit more patient. I mean, you have been a lot. Many important details about the production-ready pickup are still unknown. It is reported that 3 variants of the Cybertruck will be offered. The first of which has a single electric motor and rear-wheel drive, while the other 2 versions will be all-wheel drive. We don't yet know the capacity of the Cybertruck's battery pack, but the flagship variant, driven by 3 electric motors, may be able to travel over 500 miles. If you are in Europe, guys, it's about 805 kilometers on a single charge. So what do you think about Tesla Cybertruck getting very close finally to the production? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, friends, and let's move on to the next report.